vehicles, 3 armored fighting vehicles, 3 motor vehicles, and 1 Gvozdika self. The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue the special military operation Krasny Liman direction. The attacks launched by artillery and heavy flamethrower systems of the Tsentr Group of Forces have resulted in the neutralisation of the Ukrainian units near Nevskoye, Novolyubovka, Chervonopopovka, Chervonaya Dibrova in Lugansk People's Republic, and Grigorovka in Donetsk People's Republic. The enemy losses were up to 130 Ukrainian servicemen, 2 infantry fighting vehicles, 3 armored fighting vehicles, 3 motor vehicles, and 1 Gvozdika self-propelled howitzer. In total, 398 airplanes, 217 helicopters, 3,361 unmanned aerial vehicles, 410 air defense missile systems, 8,222 tanks and other armored fighting vehicles, 1,055 fighting vehicles equipped with MRLS, 4,300 field artillery cannons and mortars, as well as 8,798 units of special military equipment have been destroyed during the special military operation.
Terima kasih sudah nonton, jangan lupa like, subscribe, dan share ya!